Perpendicular constraint. So with the perpendicular constraint, it forces the two lines to be at an ortho or 90-degree angle. So I'm going to come up here and choose perpendicular constraint. When I do that, I'm going to choose this one here on the bottom first. This is the one that it's going to be, let's say, tied down. So I pick that one. This is going to be anchored down. When I pick the second one's going to adjust. All right. And so now you can see it's perpendicular. Doesn't mean it has to touch to be perpendicular. So you can see I do have the perpendicular constraint glyphs there, showing that it is perpendicular. So perpendicular forces each one to be at a 90 degree to each other. The first one you pick is the anchor down one. The second one is the adjusted one.